Greetings, friends. As always, it's an extremely high honor to welcome you back to Rick's Garage. As you can see, I'm working on my lawn tractor this week. This is a video I'm going to be posting in the days to come. I'm replacing the drive belts and pulleys. The reason for today's video is I wanted to talk to you about my Mojack EZ tractor lift. This is it right here. It's very easy to lower or raise the lawn tractor. If you have any repairs to do underneath, such as changing the blades, or as I'm doing this week, replacing the drive belt, this really comes in handy. I purchased this lift about 12 years ago. At that time, I paid $199 for it. They're still available. Nowadays, they go for about $300. Now, the reason I think it might be a good idea to have one is it's so difficult to get somebody to work on these machines. This machine I purchased about 4 years ago. I bought it from a local power store company. I did not buy it from a big box store. Heaven help you if you buy it from a big box store trying to get someone to work on these things. But I figured buying it from the actual power company that provides service, I would be able to get it fixed. So my first issue came a few months after buying the machine while it was still under warranty. I called them, told them I was having a problem, and they said it would be 6 weeks before they could get to it. I said, that's ridiculous. The reason I bought the machine from you folks was so I could get service. And they said they're sorry that they're just swamped with repairs. So I said, okay, give me the day you're going to schedule it and I'll drop it off the day before. And they said, oh no, we can't schedule it unless the machine is here. They were worried that somebody might not show up and mess up their schedule. So I couldn't tie up the machine that long, so I decided to fix it myself, and I've been working on the machine ever since. So my suggestion, if you are going to buy one of these lawn tractors, get whatever equipment you need to work on it. There's plenty of information on YouTube to guide you through any repair that you may need to do. Especially if you purchase one of these machines at one of those big box stores like Home Depot or Lowe's. Forget about trying to get someone to work on it. Matter of fact, I've been servicing the machines in my neighborhood because they're all in the same boat. So that's all I've got, friends. So I want to thank you once again for watching Rick's Garage. Before I go, I'm going to post 2 videos to your left, likely something to do with repairing this machine. And to your right, as always, will be a picture of my avatar in the form of my very trusty German Shepherd. By all means, feel free to click on that should you wish to subscribe to my channel. So look forward to this video I'm going to be posting in the days to come on this particular repair. And we hope to see you all very, very soon.